what is popping, guys? We are going to be starting a new course on website design and development on our website and on our YouTube channel. We'll have the content posted. I'm starting this course because one of FBLA's competitive events is website design, and I do know a thing or two about website design. Establish some credibility and to show you guys that I do know the stuff that I'm talking about. This is our organization website. You can see it's quite a nice website, I would say. And if we look on Google PageSpeed Insights, which ranks and which will give your website scores, you can see that for mobile, our website scores a 92 out of 100. And for desktop, we score a 97 out of 100. These are both very solid scores, and I was the one behind the coding, at least at the moment, of our website. Hopefully in the future, we have more people working on this coding. It ranks based on design quality and based on optimization, as well as a couple of other things. So as you can see, our website, has a very solid ranking. And let's compare this to FBLA's website, just so that you can get a reference point. So FBLA scores, it's analyzing. Let's see what FBLA scores. 66, 67. This is quite a large website, so it has to go through a lot of pages, but they also have a team of developers working on it. So, that's there too. So anyways, they score 29 for mobile and they score a 44 for desktop. So, I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to website design. So this course is going to be in two parts. There's going to be a design aspect and a development aspect, and they're often interchangeable. Our primary focus, however, will be our design aspect. So let me just write that here, our primary focus. The reason why this is our primary focus is because the FBLA website design event is called website design for a reason. They really do focus a lot more on design than they do on the technical coding aspect. However, I will focus on the coding as well, because you need to code to do design. Look, you can use third-party software to do the design, such as Wix.com, Squarespace, but I highly recommend that you code the website because it'll offer you a lot more flexibility. However, we will only be using the coding language HTML and CSS, which are markup languages. Well, they really are just markup languages. Some people do argue on this, though. So they're simple to learn. They're easy to learn. We will be doing a little bit of JavaScript, but a very small amount, and we're not going to get technical with it at all. Really, we're focusing on these two simple markup languages that help us to build websites. And the majority will be on design. And website design, I really do believe, is not just important for designing web pages, but design is important for almost anything that you're doing, because design, especially design principles and things like that we're going to focus in on, like design thinking, is helpful for almost anything in business. Design thinking helps you to make your customer experience as nice and friendly as possible, your user experience as great as possible. So I think that design really is important. And this course will not just be helpful for website design, but just for thinking like a designer and helping to make user experience not as beneficial, but as smooth and as great as possible. And again, while I'm not necessarily focusing on the development aspect of website design, if you are creating a website and you want some help, feel free to post things in the comments. I always try to respond to the comments. Sometimes I don't get notifications and I cannot respond, but I do what I can. So if you have any questions on JavaScript, anything like that, put it in the comments. If you have any suggestions, any particular content that you want to see, and if I see some demand for this content, I will create it. Anyways, I hope that you're stoked for our new website design course. Drop a like on this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and take a look at the website too for more structured content and to see how you can become a content creator as well. Anyways, thank you and goodbye.